tournament 1900 centre console arrived at Queenscliff with its big brash wrap, loads of rods in the rocket launchers and 2 burly blokes in tow. This is a boat built to go fishing.
This is a boat that you get on with your ideas and you say do this, do that, do the other thing. The dealers will set it up for you any way you like it. Great little fishing boat, very, very versatile. It'll fish in the estuaries, fish in the rivers. You take it offshore on a nice day. Great little versatile boat.
One of only 2 centre consoles in the competition, the 1900 provides good, wide work areas and a large casting platform up front.
I've got to say, she's a damn sexy boat.
There's no sharp lines, everything's rounded off, which makes it feel comfortable and even a little like a European sports car.
And straight away you notice it's a really, really feisty little boat on the water.
The seat cum leaning post is one of the best we've seen. It's a wide and firm structure that gives you support when you need it. There's also a nice wide helm. It's well designed with some good sized storage down the bottom and a large wraparound screen up top that did a great job in pretty terrible conditions.
It's a real fishing boat. It's a no pretend for anything else. It's not a touring boat. It's not something you're going to take the family out in. But you take your fishing mates out in it and have a good time.
There's space for 5 rods up top, and what's more, this one was fitted with great LED lights shining right on the transom. A lot of thought has gone into the layout and storage. There's the storage under the helm that we mentioned, but then there's also the lockers down each side that latch shut to keep everything secure when the going gets rough. Up front, the casting deck has underfloor storage, and it raises you up that little bit higher, which is always good.
I thought because of the fineness of the nose, she might be a little flighty, but she wasn't.
There's a full wraparound bow rail which is great for the kids, and it's also fitted with rod holders giving you scope for all sorts of fishing action.
It's a fantastic, fun boat.
It was very manoeuvrable as well, so it was a lot of fun on the water.
There's lots of grab handles all round and they're nicely integrated into the overall design. And what's more, they're always within easy reach when you need them. The boat we tested is a promotional boat, so it was fitted with a huge range of gear from a ranch to fusion to I-command gauges and more. This took the boat from its 46,990 base to just shy of 80 grand as tested. But keep in mind, you don't need to spend that much.
I think that boat being fitted out, there's 10 grand that you can pull straight off the top. It doesn't need the trim tabs, it doesn't need an electric anchor winch, it doesn't need a lot of the bells and whistles that are on the boat, that have been on the boat, put on the boat, that you're never going to use. So, value for money, you could start that package even with a 115 on it, have a great little value pack package that's a great fishing boat.
The motor fitted to this test boat was an Evinrude E-Tech 150 horsepower, direct injected 2-stroke V6, and it spins a 17-inch Viper prop.
With the 150 E-Tech on the back, you just bury that eye control throttle and you hang on.
Matched perfectly to the hull, the engine, prop and boat integrated well, in fact very well. From just motoring out of the marina to full noise, it was smooth, quiet, and just slipped through the chop with ease. It's a great boat.
Really, really, really well sorted package.